Hello, friends! Do you want to play a game? Look over here. I'm going to write some numbers on this whiteboard and you'll have to guess them, all right? Here they come! When you know the number, say it out loud. Which number is this? That's it! It's number 80. 80. Well done! Let's try another one. See who guesses it faster. And this number is? Yes! Number 81. 81. Let's see how well you do with the next one. Do you know which number is this one? Sure, it's number 82. 82. Will you figure out the next one? And this one? Way to go! It's number 83. 83. Let's try the next one. Which number is this? That's it! It's number 84. 84. Let's see if you know which one comes next. Let's see. This number is? Yes! It's number 85. 85. And the next one? Which could it be? And this one? Which number is it? Good! This is number 86. 86. Will you guess the next one? Which number is this? You aced it! It's number 87. 87. You're doing great! Which number have we got here? So good! It's number 88. 88. Let's see how well you do with the next one. Do you know which number is this one? Sure, it's number 89. 89. And the next one, will you know which one is it? What is this number? Well done! It's number 90. 90. You did great! $80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. Well done! Bravo! Do you want to keep on learning? Try for free our Smile and Learn platform for a month and enjoy all of our games, videos, and interactive stories. Go for it! Download Smile and Learn on your mobile, tablet, or PC.